1% that were haters. Oh, he can't do his pre-trip. Oh, he couldn't drive a truck by himself. You know, I mean, let's lay that to rest right now. I mean, we have to do DOT physicals, right?
Yes, sir.
And so, in your situation, are you able to pass the DOT physical as of right now?
That's the only way I got where I'm at right now. I had to pass my DOT physical.
You know, and we talked off camera. You wouldn't mind sending that my way?
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, yeah. I trust you. I just want to put it on the glass for all the haters out there. What's going on, Mother Truckers? Welcome to the Asian My Show, Mother Trucker News. This man right here has been going viral on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. I mean, everything, right? And so I read a lot of the comments, man, and I would say 99% of them are inspirational, Josh. And for real, it is inspirational, man, because a lot of people give up when they have opportunity, and you don't find yourself giving up. You know what I mean? And I think that's just amazing, brother. And of course, there are some haters out there as well. And, we're going to have that conversation today. So, welcome to the show, brother. Thanks for being on.
Appreciate it.
First question I got for you, man. Before the accident, how long were you driving the truck, brother?
I was driving a truck from 2017 to 2020.
What was the situation that actually happened that pretty much changed your life?
I was in a really bad motorcycle accident.
Was it just one of those things where it was just like a freak accident? It was nobody's fault, or was it on the other person? Or
It was nobody's fault. It was my fault.
how long did that time frame take for you, like from in the hospital to being out now?
I was in coma for 3 weeks. And
Really?
yeah, I was in coma for 3 weeks.
Whoa.
When I woke up, I didn't know who nobody was.
Really?
Yeah. And I was in therapy I went to day program like a year later. I was in therapy from my accident into now. So basically, I'm able to do everything by myself now.
When we were talking about, the 99% of people that had love for you, brother, and that 1% that were haters, let's talk about for a second. That 1% that were haters. Oh, he can't do his pre-trip. Oh, he couldn't drive a truck by himself. I mean, let's lay that to rest right now. I mean, we have to do DOT physicals, right?
Yes, sir.
And so in your situation, are you able to pass the DOT physical as of right now?
That's the only way I got where I'm at right now. I had to pass my DOT physical.
And we talked off camera. You wouldn't mind sending that my way?
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, yeah. I trust you. I just want to put it on the glass for all the haters out there. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
And so pretty much at this point, is there anything in particular that you need to be able to drive a truck?
The only thing I need to be able to drive a truck is the lift kit and my hand controls. Like, I'm certified to drive my car, and I did 2 tests with Roadmasters and DOT,
Mm.
the Highway Patrol, and they both certified.
Dang, that's what's up. So that lift that you're talking about, what's the price point on something like that, man?
About 15,000. And
Really?
Yeah, the hand controls are like 5,000.
What are your future goals? I mean, what's your game plan now, honestly? Because I know, in the video we've talked, and I've seen it on TikToks and Facebooks and everything. It looks like somebody made a GoFundMe or something like that. For help with that lift technology.
Yes,
pretty much after you're able to get something like that, you be on your way. It sounds like.
Yeah, yes, sir. I just really want to get back to trucking. That's all I really want.
Yeah,
that's my passion. That's what I love.
I heard that, man. So Man, that's just so crazy, man. Like, it's like after being through your whole situation you've been in, it's like you still want to drive a truck, man.
Yeah. Like even when I first got injured, my family member was telling me, like, your trucking career is over. I said, no, it's not. I'm gonna get back in the truck. And they were like, well, we go see. And like they didn't believe me. And now when I post the video, they was like, I knew you could do it. Nah, I don't. That's fake love.
We talked off camera about that. You know, I want to put one story straight. My man's not out here trying to make viral videos. You know, what was the exact situation that happened that made you post videos about,
The,
you being in truck with the lift and this and that?
the only reason I post that video was because Shepherd Center post me about to get back in trucking. So basically, I ain't had no choice but to post it.
So pretty much after they posted it, you're like, I might as well, right?
Yeah, so like I'm like I ain't had no choice but to post it.
I feel you. I feel you because I'm telling you, all the mother truckers out there, man. My guy Josh, man, you remind me a lot of my good friends. Like I don't want to use the word like just like kind of move in silence, but like one of those friends where it's just like you might not say a lot or want to be out there, but you really there for people.
Right.
You know what
Like
I mean? And so, mother truckers, I'm gonna put his links down below. Josh did not ask to be on the show. He did not know who I was. He did not care who I was. He just, I asked him, I said that on our platform, we share inspiration about trucking. And at the very least, he wanted to be at least be on the show to, be able to share his story, possibly inspire others. For anybody out there, Josh, that's dealing with any situation in their life right now, and everybody else is telling them, you can't do it. Yeah, you can't be a trucker. You can't do this. You can't do that. Any words for those people, man?
I mean, just keep going. Like I got a group called Henny No Cap, and like we motivate each other. Like we turn the impossible into possible.
That's what's up. I love it, man. Hey, Josh, man, I appreciate you for the interview, brother. Thank you for being on the show. Bet at the end of this, is there anyone you want to give a shout out to or love to that just helped you, on this journey?
Most important, my mom. Um, she really there for me. My cousins, and second of all, like my therapist, cause without them, I wouldn't be where I'm at right now.
That's dope, bro. Nah, I truly wish you the best, bro. Thank you for that.
All right, you welcome.